In this video, we're going to show you how you can view your live subscriber count on YouTube mobile. If you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really does help out the channel. To begin, you're going to want to actually go ahead and exit out of the YouTube app and open up a web browser. Any web browser is going to work, but I'm going to be using Safari on an iPhone. In the address bar, go ahead and type in studio.youtube.com just like so and go ahead and hit enter. If it prompts you to sign in, go ahead and sign in and choose whatever account you'd like to go ahead and view the live subscriber count for. I'm going to choose this one right here. And you may actually need to type in the URL again and then press continue to studio. If it does open up the app for you like it did for me, just go back to this website and then hit that continue to studio option. And from here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually pinch to zoom if necessary and tap your profile icon in the top right just like so. You can also switch your account from this section if needed, but if you're on the correct channel, you just want to zoom in until you get to the channel analytics section over here. And once you're on this page, in the left-hand section, you're going to see an option for live count. Simply go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up your live subscriber count just like so. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.